Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most impressive Linux distribution out there, PopOS by System 76. Whether you're a developer, gamer, creative pro, or just someone who wants a smooth and powerful desktop experience, this OS has something for everyone. In this video, I'm not only gonna show you the features of PopOS, but at the end, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process how to install PopOS on your system. So first, we're going to talk about why PopOS. PopOS is more than Ubuntu-based Linux distribution built with productivity, performance, and ease of use in mind. It's designed to help you work faster, stay organized, and customize the workflow the way you want it. Now we're going to talk about the top features in short. Intuitive and fast workflow. PopOS focuses on fast navigation, easy workspace organization, and fluid workflow that lets you to stay productive without interruptions. Auto-tiling and window management. With built-in auto-tiling and keyboard shortcuts, arranging windows becomes effortless. Booting, boosting your multitasking game. Secure by design, default full disk encryption keeps your data safe, and PopOS doesn't collect your data. Excellent hardware support, ready-to-use GPU support for both NVIDIA and AMD graphics. Perfect for gaming, creative work, and hardware acceleration. PopShop and software compatibility. Install thousands of apps easily. If it works on Ubuntu, it will work on PopOS. Power profiles and gaming ready. Switch between performance modes and enjoy great gaming experience straight out of the box. Now the question is, why should you choose it? If you want a distribution that's beginner-friendly and powerful enough for pros, PopOS strikes the balance perfectly. It's organized for creators, developers, and gamers. Integrates hardware support seamlessly and gives you a fullest user experience with minimal setup. Plus, the unique workplace tools like auto-tiling and workspace management makes your system feel smart and efficient. So that's it about the features and why you should choose PopOS. Now we're going to tell you how to install PopOS on a system. So without getting much more to it, let's get started. So first of all, you're going to open a browser and search for PopOS. And here is the link, system76.com, open it. And here you just click on download. And here you go. From there, you can download. I'm just downloading the first one. Click on download and download will start. And now again, search for refuge and click on the first link. And here scroll a little bit and just click on the latest and download will be started. Close the ad and it's done. And here you can see everything's downloaded. Now you can close your browser and open the file explorer. And in the file explorer you can see PopOS is there and Refuge is there. Now you're gonna do is instead of append up to your PC minimum 8 GB in size. Double tap on Refuge. Click on yes. Click on yes. And now click on select and go to download. And here you go. PopOS is there. Select it and click on open. Click on OK. Now it's done. Now click on OK. Now click on yes. Now you're gonna do is click on here and select your pen drive. Now let me remind you, in this process you're gonna lose every data on your pen drive. So make sure every data on your pen drive is backed up. Now click on start. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now it's started. This process may take 10 to 15 minutes. You'll have to wait here. Now you can see it's ready. Now click on close. Now what you're gonna do is restart your PC. While clicking on restart, press and hold the shift key on the keyboard. Now in the screen, select troubleshoot and hit enter. And now here select advanced option and click and hit enter. And select UEFI firmware settings and hit enter and click on restart. And here select the restore and the PC will be restored. And the PC will be booted into BIOS menu. And in the BIOS menu, click on Advanced, and here you're gonna do is click on Boot and check if the secure boot is disabled or not. Make sure the secure boot is disabled, and now hit on Obtain on the keyboard and click on OK. Now this time you're gonna access the boot menu. To access the boot menu, you can open this folder, otherwise you can search in Google. Now in the boot menu, select the USB drive and hit enter. Now here, you can see try or install PopOS. Select it and hit enter. Now here, in the screen, select your language and click on select. You can select your location and click on select. Here choose keyboard layout and click on select. Choose default and select. Now if you want to install dual boot, then click on custom or advanced, and if you want to install single boot, select clean install. But before clicking on the clean install, make sure that every data on your hard drive is backed up, because in this process, you're gonna lose every data on your hard drive. So, select whatever you want and click on install. And here, select your drive and select erase and install. Now here, you're gonna type your poll name and username. Now it's done. Click on next. Choose a password and confirm the password and click on next. Now here, you check this encryption, and now select the encrypt, and the installation process has been started. You're gonna wait here till the prepares to complete the process. Now you can see it's done. Now what you're gonna do is click on the restore device, and the device will be restored. Now put the password and hit enter. Now you can see PopOS is there. Click on next. If you want, you can skip or select a language, click on next. Select keyboard layout and click on next. Select the time zone and location, click on next. Select the theme and click on next. Select the layout type and click on next. Now what you gonna your app drawer, click on next and next. Okay, now it's done. Now you can see PopOS is there. It's the app drawer. Congratulations, you've successfully installed PopOS to your system. Intuitive and faster workflow. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.